Thermodynamic process. Quasi-static process. This system which changes its variables so slowly that it remains in thermal and mechanical equilibrium with its surrounding throughout. In a quasi-static process, at every stage, the difference in the pressure and temperature of the system and surrounding is very small. Isochoric process. In an isochoric process, volume is constant. No work is done on or by the gas. The heat absorbed by the gas goes entirely to change its internal energy and its temperature. The change in temperature for a given amount of heat is determined by the specific heat of the gas at constant volume. Isobaric process. In an isobaric process, pressure is fixed. The heat absorbed goes partly to increase internal energy and partly to do work. The change in temperature for a given amount of heat is determined by the specific heat of the gas at constant pressure. Cyclic process. In a cyclic process, the system returns to its initial state, since internal energy is a state variable. Delta U is equal to 0 for a cyclic process. The total heat absorbed equals the work done by the system.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.